That's pretty cool. I like that. I'm going to have fun with this a little bit later. I hope you know that, Google. I'm going to have fun with this a little bit later, making some AI artwork. Oh, I didn't fill you guys in. Okay, we need to fill you guys in a little bit more. I could leave it, but there's something about adding in extra lines that adds to it as well. It gives it more of a curve shape. Okay, just like you up here now. Now I feel like I need to go up here and like this. There. Oh my goodness. I like that a whole lot better. Okay, so I like that a whole lot better. Okay, so we're going to keep adding lines in here. Imagine if they did that going down the highway with with paint. I know they've made some funny things related to highway paint on the highway. But I mean, if they made zentangles in the middle of the highway with paint, that would be funny. I mean, it wouldn't be funny for people going down the road, you know, trying to find their directions. But, you know, back in the day, oh my gosh, when I was a kid. Okay, so my parents were driving, we were going on a vacation to Florida. And we had to go through Atlanta. And everybody knows Atlanta is one of the worst cities in the world, in the United States, as far as that goes. And they did not have good road signs at all. And so you would be in the right-hand side of the lane. This was back in the 1970s. So you would be in the right-hand side of the lane and just end up getting off of the interstate through Atlanta because they had no road signs telling you where you're supposed to be going. And of course, there's nothing on the road maps that are going to tell you either. And, you know, and so the thing is, it's like since then I've learned that the roads change all the time. They're always doing construction in the cities. So it changes all the time, which that doesn't help